Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back at Target and holy moly have they stocked. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So you guys, we are in the dollar spot. That's where we always start. I will put a time marker for you guys so you know when I will start the Hearth and Hand collection. I can't believe how much is here. Now, I did come a few days ago and it was sparse. They were just putting it out, but I'm glad I did because a lot of these items are now gone and they have stocked everything else. So I want to show you some of the highlights. Obviously, this is one of them, a glass ornament that is a jar or a close. You could put any kind of decor in there. And then I spotted this up above and it is, I thought, a planter. I was wrong. It's actually a beverage decanter for $5 in the clear boot. They also have this fun little, I'm calling it a tiered, I don't know, it's a tiered box. It looks like a present. You could put a little bit of decor in it or use it maybe to organize your cocoa bar. They also have a hanger on the back, so could be wall decor. Now the sleighs are back. They are getting smaller each year, in my opinion. I bought one, I think the first year they put it out. So it does come in the wood and the red for $5. Now they do have some cocoa bar items like this little organizer for $5. I think this is pretty cute. It's really small. In my opinion, they have a larger one that's more of a crate. I like this one a lot better. But personally, I just opt for something that is neutral that I could use for any season. You could turn it around. They are $5 a piece and flying off the shelves. These are the last few here. Next up, something that I'm so glad I caught to share with you guys are these fun snow globes. I guess they do have the little poof on top. They have a little trim, so they're more of like a knit hat or a cap for the winter. They also have these snow globes. These are bigger. These are $5 and they actually have the imprint of a snowflake in the front there. So plain white with the glass. I don't know if they come in other colors. This is just what I'm finding. Now they are putting out more trees. These in gold are gorgeous. They're $3 trees. I'm guessing they'll come out with a larger version for $5. Haven't seen them in my stores yet, just the smaller ones for $3. They also have this that is a Christmas tree stand of some sort. You guys know I duped their one for Easter that was the bunny ears. I made it from the Dollar Tree. So just keep that in mind. You can probably make something like this for, I don't know, about the same price. They also have these that are tiered stands. They are a corner or wedge piece of wood for $5. Now you could put them back to back. You could buy 4 of them and go crazy and have a whole tree. They also brought back the houses, but these are a miniature version where you get 2 for $5. They are identical to the ones that they did, I believe, last year or the year before. I have that whole collection. They also have a Santa, they're calling it, I think, a cookie jar. Beware, the paint jobs are not all great, but this is definitely not huge, and I did find flaws in a lot of them, so just be choosy when you're out there shopping. I also found these adorable, very Hearth and Hand inspired cake plates for $5. They're not huge, probably about a 7, maybe 8.5 inch round. And this that I think is probably one of the best items they've put out, and it's so neutral. You could use it any time of year. It's just a riser. It has some metal feet on it. I can see this decorated on a counter a ton of different ways for a ton of different seasons. They also have some, I'm calling them cutting boards, but they're wood pieces. I don't know if they're truly food safe. Not huge, but really cute Christmas tree. It also comes in this ornament shape, so just know that there are 2 options. They're $5. Now they have the crates. I think I showed you guys the Christmas tree one in our last shop with me and I forgot to film. They also have the white one with the cookies and milk on the front. And they have some risers. They're in a 2-pack. They're white. I love them. Great price, very neutral, could be used a ton of different ways for a ton of different seasons, and I'm all about that. They do have a darker wood foot on them, and great buy for $5. Now they have some decanters out. They put these out, I think, last year. This one with the cut glass is gorgeous. They're $5. They also have this one with the jolly old St. Nicholas. And you guys, they have some Hanukkah items finally in the dollar spot. I haven't seen any for years. So they have the 2-piece ceramic bowls for $5. They have these fun little fillable dreidels in clear and blue, some craft items for the kids, and this Star of David that is a bowl. It's ceramic. It's beautiful for $5. Don't worry, we're getting to that glass piece here in the back in a second. Of course, they have menorahs. They have this one in the blue. They have the candles, and this is stunning, and it is a well-made piece. It's huge. These are going to fly off the shelf. This is just beautiful, timeless. Good job, dollar spot. They have 2 other options that I think are pretty funny. For menorahs, they have a whale. So if you are nautical, or they have this one with the pup that I think, is it a pup or a fox? I think it's a pup. But this is better than the gumball machine in the dollar spot, and it is a clear glass dreidel for $5, fillable. So beautiful. Great job. They also have some decor pieces, a little hanging banner. I think that one actually comes with markers, so it's more of a craft. They have the 4-piece dreidels. Now down below, I found some ceramic Christmas trees for $5, and I'm not sure what they were thinking, but their ornament glass tray is orange. I would have thought red, but it's orange. Now they are also putting out some tin pieces. So this is a galvanized tin. It has the snowflake around the edge, probably close to a 12 or 10 inch round. They also have this. It's more of a beverage container. This would be great for gift giving for $5 with the reindeer on the top. Now I'm starting to see more of the mercury glass light up Christmas trees. I thought these were beautiful for $5, and more of the larger Art Deco trees. Last time we were in, they had the smaller ones, but now they're putting out the larger. I love these, but just know Ross is also putting some out that are even taller for $5.99. And I may or may have not bought a couple that I'll be sharing in a future haul. Now they also have this fun little cocoa wood piece. They have a cocoa banner. They have a gingerbread banner that is felt, and some $5 Christmas trees. They also have some very large rubber duckies. Great presents for stockings, but they're $5. They have 2 versions of the mistletoe. Those are both $3. And I hadn't seen this little collection of tray decor for $5. I wanted to share that with the little sleigh. They also have some interesting beverageware. These come with a nice little flask for those cold winter days, and they have some mugs. These are fun in the pet theme for $3 a piece. And this is the most beautiful organization. Good job, Dollar Spot. They put their little seasonal stamps in some of their bins that they offer. It's nice to see them just not thrown everywhere. They have a reindeer feed bag and some wrapping paper that I think is a great buy. But now we are going to switch gears from Target Dollar Spot back to the Hearth and Hand collection, where I'm going to show you guys all things Christmas by Hearth and Hand.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance, drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight. As I walk through the streets of my old hometown, I hear sleigh bells ringing in the Christmas decorations all around. Tonight love and peace are everywhere. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true as you are bright and golden. Let it snow, let it snow. Bright and gold. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we longed for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, the child is born anew. Christmas, oh Christmas, how we long for you. Christmas, oh Christmas, let your message once again ring true. Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. On this cold December night, there is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Target to see what is new for Christmas 2022. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.